Hi guys. So I received a package in the mail today, and bear with me. This is my first video and first unboxing, but I figured I'd give it a shot. So I decided to order myself a Scandinavian blade from Thompson Scandinavian Knives out of Michigan. Great company. Great response right away. No problems with service, came in a timely manner. I did a lot of research and varying prices throughout. I live in Canada, and there's really not a lot of options here for Scandinavian blades, unfortunately, at least that I know about. There's one or two providers, but they vary in prices. So I decided I wanted to go with the EnZo Trapper knife kit from this particular company. They have a deluxe kit and a basic kit. The deluxe kit comes with the scales already shaped, liners glued in, rivets and whatnot. It's basically very easy, for a first-time knife maker. I decided to go with the basic kit, which comes with these scales, not shaped, liners not glued in, and whatnot. Just some more of a challenge, kind of test my ability. So I'm going to open this up, and we're going to take a look. Excellent. So let's pull it out. Here's my receipt, which you don't need to see. Okay. So I ordered the knife itself, the blade, liners, and pins. I also decided to upgrade the sheath. The standard sheath with the deluxe was a good sheath, and they're very high quality sheaths by looking at them. But I wanted to go with the fire seal holder, considering I don't have one yet. So let's get all this out here. So I decided to go with the black scales, Genadill. I can't remember the pronunciation. Anyways, so they're really nice, and the red liners. I think it'll pop, so I hope it will. Standard pins. Part like so. There's obviously a little bit of drilling and whatnot necessary, but pretty straightforward. And I hope you can see. My apologies, I'm using my laptop right now. I decided to go with the 01 option. He has two other options on his site. I can't remember them at this point. It's really not important. Excellent. So here's the knife blade. Pristine, obviously. Says 01 on the side here. If I can, probably can't focus it, you might be able to see it. Scandinavian grind, as said. And two holes for your pins and a lanyard hole. Very nice. Very sturdy blade by the looks of it. I'm actually very impressed. Excellent. I'll put that just aside here. And then the sheath, I decided to go with an upgraded sheath. Has a dangler and a fire steel holder. Any previous Scandinavian knives I have a couple. Does not have the fire steel sheath, so I'm happy about that. Very good quality sheath. Very good stitching. I have read a lot of reviews about this particular company and watched a few videos, and everybody seemed to be very happy with his products. Excellent dangler. Very good quality. I would suggest checking him out. He's got a lot of great options. A lot of great options in scales. Some exotic woods, and I believe he has mammoth tusks, which obviously come at a price, but you know, if you're into that type of thing, why not spend the money? Anyways, like I said, this is my first video and my first knife build, so if really anybody has any suggestions or things that I could do with this, or any tips for building these kits, I would appreciate it. Hopefully it goes well. I hope to do a couple videos on just the building of it and see how I'm progressing, and if I happen to mess it up, you'll see my mistakes, and if not, hopefully everything will go well. So anyways, I'm signing off. Until next time. Thanks, guys.